So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me, John Del Sungo, of course. So for today's vlog, another informative vlog na naman ang aking i-share sa inyo, and this time it's all about may good news ako sa inyo guys, para sa lahat ng mga gumagamit ng TikTok, especially TikTok Shop. So ayan guys, if matagal na kayong gumagamit ng TikTok Shop, palaging may laman ng inyong TikTok balance at lagi kayong nag-shopping gamit ang TikTok, merong offer sa inyo ang TikTok, pero hindi lahat ata ino-offeran ng ganito, yung tinatawag nilang TikTok loan. Ayan guys, pagkabukas ko kasi ng aking TikTok Pay Later sa TikTok Shop, ito yung bumugad sa akin. Ayan, ganyan yung tsura niya guys. So ayan, excited akong gamitin. Hutang na naman. Hindi kasi kung napapansin nyo, no, meron akong credit limit sa TikTok Pay Later na 43,400. Makukuha mo to, kumbaga tataas yung credit limit nyo sa TikTok Pay Later kapag lagi kayong gumagamit ng TikTok Shop. At ang ginagamit nyong pambayad is yung TikTok balance. So siguro sa mga magtatanong, no, bago ko to buksan, bago ko to i-activate, kasi first time ko pa lang tong gamitin. So wala pa akong idea. So siguro tuturo ko na lang sa inyo as this vlog continue kung ano yung mga process or kung may mga requirements ba sa pag-open nitong TikTok loan. Open na natin siya. Click ko lang tong check my loan limit. Ayan, sabi dito, withdraw loan. Get up to 100,000 pesos. So get funds sent to your bank account. Only takes 5 minutes to apply. Repay in up to 12 months. And spend anywhere, not just on TikTok. Wow! Hindi lang pala TikTok magagamit. So, pwede daw siyang i-cash out at pwede gamitin sa iba pang mga payments kapag gumagamit ng mga cash payments. Ayan. So, buksan na natin siya guys. Click ko lang tong withdraw loan. Enter payment PIN number. Itong payment PIN number, ito yung PIN nyo sa inyong TikTok Shop. Enter lang natin yun, na-verified siya. Activate in one more step. Verify your ID and add your details. So, continue ko lang siya guys. Sa email address, meron na nakalagay. So, educational level. Ang dami pa walang fill upan. So, fill upan lang natin to guys. Educational level, loan purpose, occupation, monthly income. So, yung province, meron na siya kasi since kapag nagsi-COD tayo, meron na tayo nakalagay na address. So, automatic na siyang malalagay dito. And then, residential, postal codes, emergency contact full name. So, meron na rin. So, fill upan ko na lang itong ibang wala pa. So, ayan, once na na-fill upan nyo na itong mga details na kailangan, sabi dito, your information will be securely processed and used only to verify your identity. So, click na natin itong continue, guys. Ayan, application under review. This takes up to 50. Ayun, wow, application successful. You've successfully applied for trust loan and you're ready to start receiving funds. The signed revolving facility master agreement is available for review in the settings section on the trust loan homepage. So revolving siya, ibig sabihin kapag nabayaran nyo na yung una nyong utang, pwede nyo pang utangin yung binayad nyong first payment. So ganun yung revolving. Click ko na tong go to trust loan. Wow! You're ready to use trust loan. Withdraw up to 25,000 pesos in loans. You can withdraw loans as needed until you reach your credit limit. Pwede siyang pag-partial yan, hindi lahat. Halimbawa, hindi mo naman withdraw lahat ng credit limit mo. Pwede mo siyang hatiin. Tapos, yung kalahati nun, pwede mo siyang i-withdraw, next withdraw mo. And then, make your repayments on time. Making repayments on time helps your credit record and replenishes your credit limit so you can withdraw again later. Tips ko sa inyo guys, para tumaas yung credit limit nyo, magbayad kayo on time or 3 to 5 days ahead. So ayan guys, meron akong available limit na 25,000 pesos. Ayan. So, check nga natin guys. Hindi ko muna i-withdraw to. Check ko lang kung ilan yung interest na makukuha mo kapag withdraw mo lahat ng 25,000 pesos. Ayan, halimbawa, 25,000 pesos yung i-withdraw ko and then babayaran ko siya ng 12 months. So, ang nakalagay dito is 3,333.33 in 12 months. So, i-calculate nga natin to. 3,333.33 times 12 is, ang laki, 39,000 pesos. So, minus 25,000 pesos. 15,000. So, 15,000 in 12 months yung kanyang tubo. So, divided by 12. So, monthly, meron siyang tubo na 1,250. Kumbaga kada buwan magbabayad ka ng 1,250 para sa kinuha mong 25,000 pesos. So malaki siya guys. Hindi siya applicable na i-withdraw. Kumbaga lang for emergency purpose. Kung walang-wala talaga, pwede siyang gamitin. Pero I advise you na wag niyo munang gamitin kung gagamitin niyo lang naman pang shopping o hindi naman emergency kasi napakalaki ng interest. So halimbawa, bayaran natin siya ng 6 months. 5,416.67. 5,416.67 times 6. So 32 minus 25,000 is 7,500. So ayan guys, 7,500 lang yung tubo niya for 6 months. So kumbaga mas maiksi yung year or months ng pagbabayad mo, mas konti rin yung interest na makukuha nila na mababayaran mo. So ayan guys, so hindi ko muna to i-withdraw, no? Kasi hindi ko pa naman siya kailangan. So at least napakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano nga ba yung process or step-by-step procedure ng pag-apply for TikTok Trust Loan. So ayan guys, so hopefully nakatulong tong vlog ko, and if nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to LSS, like, share, and subscribe. So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope to see you again sa aking next video. Ito pa rin si Jonel.